everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about PRP, facial treatments as well as for the scalp. PRP is platelet-rich plasma, which is treatment where we draw your blood, spin the blood, and take the platelets out. This will help with stimulate collagen as well as skin rejuvenation. Hi, my name is Revian. I'm one of the nurse injectors here at BeautyFix. I'm really excited to talk to you more about PRP as well as the aftercare tips. Let me explain a little bit more. We offer PRP injections in the face and the scalp and as an add-on for Morpheus 8 as well as microneedling treatments. It's a favorite among those who want a little bit glow and youth in their face or looking for a solution for thinning hair. If you add PRP after microneedling or Morpheus, you want to make sure not to wash your face for 12 hours after treatment, as well as avoid makeup, sunscreen, any kind of topical retinoids or active ingredients. If you add PRP for your scalp, you want to make sure not to wash your hair for at least 24 hours. Also avoid any hair products as well as styling for the first 2 days. After PRP facial treatments, you want to make sure to use a gentle moisturizer to keep the face hydrated. Also avoid sun exposure for a few days and avoid exercise for 2 days. So there you have the important aftercare tips for PRP. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult a BeautyFix professional. We also list all of our pre and post care on our website, and let us know in the comments if you ever try one of our PRP treatments. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at BeautyFix MedSpa soon. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!